Good morning, students. In today's module, we will learn about some important formulas related to trigonometric functions. These formulas are very useful for you in future, in 12th class also and in future also. So what are these formulas? See, sine minus x is minus sine x. Cos minus x is plus cos x. Tan minus x minus tan, cot minus is minus cot, secant minus secant, cosecant minus minus cosecant. It means that whenever the argument is negative, in case of cos and secant, it will have no effect. When it will come outside, it will become positive. Means it will remain cos and secant. But in rest 4, this minus sign you may take outside, so it will become minus sine, minus cot, minus tan, minus cosecant. So the behavior of sine and tan is same, means negative symbol you may take out common, and their reverse will also behave like them. What is the reverse of tan is cot, and reverse of sine is cosecant. So cos and secant will behave in the same way, means negative symbol when you will take it outside, it will become positive. There will be no negative symbol with them. Second is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. These identities you have learnt in 10th class also. But now you have to remember some more identities. You are not limited up to 90 minus theta. There is 90 plus theta also. 180 minus theta, 180 plus, 270 minus, 270 plus, 360 minus and 360 plus. Now, what are the ways to remember these identities? This is very important. There is one method. See, whenever 90 and 270 are there, change will occur. And in case of 180 and 360, there will be no change. Like here. Now, which type of change I am talking about? See, in case of 90 and 270, like here, sine 90 minus theta, there will be change. Means on right hand side, it will not be sine, it will change. And which type of change? You will apply co with it, so it will become cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta will be, you will remove co, it is what? Cosine theta, it will be sine. If it is tan, add co, cotan. If it is cotan, remove co, it is tan. So if co is there, remove it. If co is not there, add it. Clear? So this type of change I am talking about. So whenever there is 90 and 270, change will be there. But whenever there is 180 and 360, no change will be there. If it is sine, it will remain sine on the right hand side. Clear? For example, sine 180 minus theta. Since there is 180, so sine 180 minus theta will be sine theta. Now, change, so you know, I have told you that which type of change you have to do or you don't have to do. But now is the turn of symbol. See, it depends upon the quadrant. If it is 90 minus theta, it means it will lie in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all are positive. So I have put plus symbol before all of them. Clear? But if it is sine 90 plus theta, see, change will be there, it will be cos theta. And if it is the 90 plus, it will lie in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, sine is positive, so you will apply cos theta. But suppose I want to find tan 90 plus theta, then since there is 90, so change will be there. And in second quadrant, tan is what? Negative. So I will put negative symbol. Clear? Suppose I want to calculate sine 270 plus theta, then change will be there. Sine का क्या बन जाएगा? Cosine, right? और because it is in fourth quadrant, so fourth quadrant में sine कैसा होता है? Negative. So there will be negative symbol. Clear? For example, tangent 270 minus theta. 270 है, चेंज आएगा, tan का क्या बन जाएगा, cot थीटा. एंड बिकॉज इट इज इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में tan कैसा होता है, पॉजिटिव, सो पॉजिटिव सिंबल विल बी देयर. क्लियर? नाउ देयर इज वन more question. There is one question where you have to apply this. You have to apply these formulas in some questions. One such question is find the value of cos minus 1710 degree. See, cos minus 1710 degree is just now I have told you the identity that cos minus theta is cos theta. Means this negative symbol will not be there on right side. Clear? You may skip this negative symbol, so it will be cos 1710. Now children, up to 10th you have read only up to 90 degree, but now if it is greater than 90, what will you do? You will divide this argument, you will divide this angle by 360 degree. So divide it by 360, what will be the remainder? 270. So you will just write the remainder. Means 1710 is what? This into this plus this. Clear? Now you may skip this because these are four complete rotations. 4 into 360 means 4 complete rotations. Right? After then it will be 270. It will lie here. Clear? So you may skip this. It will, what will be left? Cos 270 degree. Now cos 270 you may write cos 180 plus 90. Now you may apply this formula which I have told you. Say it is cos 180 plus theta. अगर 180 है तो what I have told you, change नहीं आएगा. cos 180 plus theta में cos theta रहेगा, so cos 90 रहेगा. Now we will talk about symbol because it lies in the third quadrant. 180 plus theta is in third quadrant, so third quadrant में cos कैसा होगा, negative. So you will apply minus. So it will become minus cos theta. And you know that cos 90 is 0. So finally its value will be 0. So these identities which I have told you, these all identities you have to, it's very important to have understanding of this. So these all identities will be used in solving these type of questions. And tomorrow we will start solving rest questions of exercise 3.2. Clear? First two questions so you have done now. So now we will solve rest questions. Thank you.